all this morning tracking the heat, also the storm threats in the Midwest again. Hi, Dylan.
Hi, good morning, guys. Yeah, you also want to stay, find the air conditioning, go to the mall, go to the movies, whatever you can do to stay cool, because this is dangerous heat and it's extensive. It's going to last for a long period of time. We have 67 million people under heat risks of some kind, but the purple's here through Arkansas, through Louisiana, into Mississippi, even stretching over into the Carolinas, into Florida. That's the extreme risk where you could really just, your body doesn't cool down fast enough. And if you overheat, it could lead to heat exhaustion or heat stroke. So just keep that in mind. You really want to limit your time outdoors in the middle of the day here. Your temperatures will be up around the triple digits in Oklahoma City. The heat index makes it feel like 107. Houston will feel like 107. It'll feel like 111 degrees in New Orleans. When it is so humid outside, your body can't evaporate the sweat, so it just overheats. And this is the story really all week long. Tomorrow, more of the same. We'll likely break some records across the south into the southeast. And look at this. Memphis stays in the 90s all the way into the start of the weekend. Dallas stays above 100. Baton Rouge in the mid-90s. But when you factor in the humidity, this is what it's going to feel like all through Saturday and beyond. The heat is not going to break anytime soon. Even looking into the extended forecast for next week, while we will see cooler than average temperatures across the Northeast, it is staying warmer than average all down south into the Gulf Coast, even up into the Carolinas, too.
All right, Dylan, thank you. We'll come back to you in just a second. Again.
Good morning. Heat is certainly the big story. Dangerous, record-breaking heat. It's warm and humid, very muggy across the Northeast as we get back into the lower to mid-80s. And we will have to keep an eye out for some severe storms across the upper Midwest later on today. Gusty winds will be the biggest threat, perhaps up to 60 to even 75 miles per hour. So something to keep an eye out for. That's a look at the weather across the country. We'll get to your local forecast in the next 30 seconds. Toyota Supra with like the lights that flipped up.
Oh, that's a cool car.
Cost me $300 to buy it.
Yeah.
Still remember.
Yeah.
300?
300. Yes, sold it with 250,000 miles on it.
Wow.
Wow.
All right. I wish I still had it, though.
I love that
right?
car.
Like what I wouldn't do for that. All right, let's take a look at the stormy weather we're going to see over the next couple of days. We've got a cold front that's going to move in. We'll see those scattered showers and storms pop up. Out ahead of that front, it's pretty humid, so when it rains, you'll see the downpours. This is going to move through the Midwest today and tomorrow. Strong gusty winds would be the biggest threat, but also this chance of flooding because the ground is pretty saturated, so there is that slight risk of flash flooding because of the rounds of rain that'll move through. And if you get the 1 to 2.5 inches of rain per hour rates, then we could end up seeing some of that flooding. So that's going to be the situation through the Midwest through tomorrow. So we'll keep an eye out for those severe storms. Elsewhere, it's the record heat down across the south, the humidity, feeling like we're well up into the triple digits, warm and humid in the Northeast, too. Even though we're in the 80s, the humidity makes it pretty sticky and uncomfortable. That's a look at the weather across the country. Now here's a peek out your window.
And also the risk for it looks like some severe storms in the Midwest.
Severe storms in the Midwest, for sure. Flooding, rain possible out that way. But the heat is just so dangerous, and it's going to last a long period of time. So we have heat advisories, watches, heat warnings. The hot pink colors here are where the heat warnings are posted. Either way, it's just one of those days you want to stay indoors in air conditioning as much as possible because it's hard for your body to stay cool and regulate its temperatures when it is this hot outside. All of these red dots indicate areas where we will likely tie or break records. This includes parts of Texas up into Oklahoma, stretches all the way into the southeast, up into the Carolinas, too. Highs running about 5 to 15 degrees above average. Yes, we get these hot days, but when you factor in the humidity, that's what you need to dress for and prepare for out there. Oklahoma City will feel like 107. New Orleans will feel like 111. Ocala will feel like 109. Tomorrow, more of the same. The heat just continues to build. It's stifling. It doesn't go anywhere. Little Rock will feel like 112 tomorrow. Montgomery will feel like 105. Up into Summerville in South Carolina, it'll feel like 109 degrees. And if we look over the next 3 days, all the way into the weekend, temperatures will be well up into the mid to upper 90s, lower 100s. Dallas stays above 100 degrees through at least Saturday. And here's your feels like temperature. Dallas will feel like 107 on Thursday, 105 on Thursday in Memphis before it drops into the upper 90s, if that is even any better. Charlotte will drop down to about 91 on Saturday. And then in the Northeast, we'll certainly see a cool off going into next week. But this is the forecast for next week. It is going to stay warmer than average, very humid, very uncomfortable, and just dangerous high temperatures, guys.
All right, Dylan, we'll check back. Thank you. Now
we've got Some pretty nasty weather across the middle of the country. Look at just how heavy the rain is coming down across southeastern Nebraska, moving into Iowa. We do have the risk of flooding. The ground is kind of saturated. You get these torrential downpours, and that could lead to some more flash flooding. We also have some spotty showers and thunderstorms moving through eastern Arkansas, also across the northern Rockies, too. It's all about the heat, especially down south, all along the Gulf Coast, up into the southern plains. Temperatures well above average. Your heat index values up around 110 degrees or higher. So really stay indoors as much as you can. It's warm, it's muggy, very sticky across the northeast. We'll watch out for those severe storms. And in the southwest, it's hot, and very hot, actually, with temperatures up around 111 degrees, but much drier out there. That's a look at the weather across the country. Now here's a peek out your window. And if you're heading out the door, be sure to find us on today's show, Radio Sirius XM Channel 108.
Why'd you hide all your jewelry?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, you walked with a fistful of
She's adding bling as each hour goes on. Yes. My Ken is going to be like, yeah.
So much you have to, like, piece it in there.
I was just thinking about the AI story.
Yeah.
When, you know, my version of AI in high school was, like, to me, that felt like cheating. I didn't write the book report. That was like my...
You still had to read. You still had to actually do a little work.
I could extract it
You know what I mean?
from the Cliff Notes
Me too.
to just get through that.
I remember reading the clip notes for the Odyssey and then asking my sister, who also had to, who is this Odysseus? She's like, oh my God.
She's like, you need to go back and read it again.
Everything I know about the Odyssey, I learned from DuckTales.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's a good.
All right, let's get to pop stars, guys.
Is that based on a Shakespeare thing?
Yes, it is. I was about to do
a librarian Jenna would know.
I knew it.
Is it which one is it? The Taming of the Shrew?
It is.
Yeah.
Nice.
Did you know that?
I did not know that.
Because you were reading Cliff Notes.
Didn't have the Cliff Notes for that.
I was going to ask a question. What book is it an sort of a loosely based retelling of? But Savannah got
Fascinating,
great.
guys.
Wow.
Riveting. Thank you for that.
The greatest spinoffs in the history of television.
Have you listened to the new theme song?
We love it. It's Brandy.
excellent.
She did a remake of the
Give us
Aretha Franklin.
Behind me come one day.
I'm going to watch just for that.
That was great.
Next up, finally,
There will be the contest.
Allison. Yeah, hope so.
that was
we
a
love
dense
her.
pop star.
Yeah, thank you.
You really got it all in
But the
there.
highlight was your singing.
Yeah, that was good.
Next time.
Coming up. You can
Wait
put
till
some
tomorrow.
bling on for the next half hour. All right, coming up, Outer
88.4 tempo, which was cool. So thank you all for being here in this slightly inclement weather.
Yeah, just a little spritz here. By the way, just a few minutes, we're going to catch up with Will Forte.
Trailers to
The
this movie
nicest
every
human
day.
ever.
Will,
I love Will. Okay, plus we heard from the lady.
And that is the theme of the show, actually.
got
Of the
good hair,
movie.
too.
Yeah.
It's very, very funny. It's also day 2 of our Wellness Week series. Yesterday was pretty great.
We got stretched.
We even stayed after.
Oh, really?
So this morning, we're taking a look at another popular trend that's going viral. Guys, you can sit down for this one. We'll have you guys do it. It's facial acupuncture.
I want to do that.
I know. I'm actually
Are you
excited.
gonna do it live?
I hope they put it.
Everybody.
Oh,
All right. Well, we have much to get to this morning. Let's get a check of the weather from Dylan. What do you?
Why do we
lose Carson and Craig?
No, it's a Jenna. It's just amazing. It's just, it's
We
so
just love
early.
you. Yes, she
Right up
does.
in my
That's
face.
right. I love it.
Should I talk weather?
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
We're going to just segue into weather here. The rain is starting. They're like my bodyguards.
That's right.
We got your back.
That's your forecast.
All right, Dylan, thank you. By the way, we got
it
some good
awkward?
news, folks. Love Island summer not over just yet. The Emmy nomination.
Thank you so much.
What is it? Unexpected
Reunions are
hookups.
great because people come to,
They come to play.
they come to talk.
They have some things to say.
Go too far, by the way. Ariana's going to come back. We're going to chat more inside, where it's dry, in our third hour. We also want to hear about your turn at Broadway now.
Yes, yeah.
My God, she's going back to Broadway. Folks, be sure to catch the Love Island USA.
From season 8 of Love Island USA, and we are so excited to chat with Emmy-nominated host Ariana Madix.
Oh, yeah.
Into this reunion because all the Islanders from season 8, they're coming back together. So can you give us anything? Like, will we find out who's still together? The break.
That. What a tease. Okay, the other thing is, I feel like I always think this, I don't know about you guys, when you watch a reunion, because we interview people all the time, but a lot of times it's like one-on-one, one-on-two. The way that Andy Cohen, what's it like to be in that role instead?
It's so much more. Yes, a lot to manage there. Yeah.
You went from being a fan of the Emmy, then you're 2 years since you were in Chicago, right?
Yes.
Roughly 2. You still want to do? What's out there?
Oh, I want to go on a vacation.
I'm sure that can happen at some point.
One
Yes.
day. It's okay.
Thank you so much. Congrats on everything.
Oh, thank you.
And the Love Island USA reunion special premieres.
We're
just chatting. So all sorts of things. We actually have an interview to do here. A little more than 6 years ago, Outer Banks premiered and became an instant hit.
Well, since then, it is
An amazing run y'all have been on. Chase, what is it like to say goodbye to a character that has been like...
You did.
I did it.
Drew, you get the script emailed to you, the last episode script.
Oh, nice. And Jonathan, so much of this season was filmed in Croatia. I mean, that's kind of a way to go out with a bang. There's so much running. There's so much running up and down the stairs.
So much running.
So much shape when you're done filming. I mean, now that you're into a room where he's standing and you guys look so similar. And it's like,
No, it is. And the dog father.
That's it. We asked you, we gave you some homework. We asked each of you to, in the spirit of the show, go home. Especially Jonathan. Especially Jonathan.
Told that to me last night. I was like, that'd be funny.
And tomorrow for even more Outer Banks, because we've got Madeline Klein, Madison Bailey, and Carlacia Grant with us, and you can stream the final season of the show Thursday on Netflix.
If we ask the ladies to share pictures, I guarantee you they won't look like that.
yeah. Oh, we should.
We should.
That would be fun.
If they're real, they'll do it.
If they're real, Garland's been thrown down.
It's the final season, girls. We set them up.
All right, just ahead, we can't wait to catch up with. We are back now with two stars who are teaming up with some true Hollywood icons.
SNL alum Will Ferrell.
I was telling Will earlier, I mean, it really turns... That was a little weird. That was a little weird.
Yeah. But of course, like, I remember watching all the cartoons when I was younger. I'm sure you guys did as well.
Yeah, I got to, like, preparing for this role. It was just kind of...
I was first so excited, so happy, then immediately angry. Yeah. I mean, God, it was just so cool.
The handful of folks who've seen it.
And I'm so...
That was one of the rules.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah. And you adhere to it, like you see, like he is only on the road
in the film.
Movie.
You're right. There are also some other Easter eggs in the film that I think people are going to, like when he falls down.
Yeah. No, you might even meet it. But it's like blink and you miss it.
I want to watch you watching this movie.
No, Dylan would drop a boulder on him though if he did.
I wish I had some acting supplies.
What's that? Sorry?
Yeah, I just said or piano.
Or piano, yes. Well done, Lana. Hits theaters Friday, August 28th.
All right, well, coming up next, our shot. Tomorrow in the third hour of Today, the M.
Is that handsome? We will see you right back here tomorrow, same place, same time. Bye-bye.
You want to go flirt with him?
No, I'm saving him for you.